Thanks. New tonight, Rebekah Baptiste's father and his girlfriend entered not guilty pleas in court. Couple faces multiple charges, including murder and child abuse. ABC 15's Ashley Holden watching this case closely. And Ashley, what else happened in court today?
Well, Baptiste and Anicia Woods both appeared at different times today, entering those not guilty pleas. And we want to remind you, 10-year-old Rebekah Baptiste was found severely injured in Holbrook, Arizona at the end of July and died 3 days later. This case has raised serious questions about DCS's involvement with the family, who had just weeks prior moved to rural Apache County. After a preliminary hearing last week, Baptiste's attorney now says he is withdrawing from the case, citing an ethics rule in court just hours ago, but not going into detail. Well, during a special live episode of Arizona Crime Uncovered, we asked defense attorney Ben Taylor what could be going on behind the scenes.
But a lot of times when you see an attorney withdraw from a case, a lot of times behind the scenes is because there's some sort of conflict with their client. I can't say that in this case, but say the client got mad because they were, held to go forward. And maybe there was a big argument and the client complains. And sometimes the attorney's like, hey, I can't represent you. We're not getting along here. You might need to find a new attorney. So ultimately, this attorney could file a motion to withdraw. What the judge will then do is appoint a new attorney, or they can go by themselves, which is called pro per.
You can stream that live episode where we go in depth on this case, along with the Emily Pike and Zariah Dodd cases, now on our social media. So all signs right now point to Baptiste being appointed a new attorney. The judge has not ruled on prosecutors' motion to join the couple's cases for trial. The pair will be back in court in 2 weeks. Ashley Holden, ABC 15, Arizona.